A herniated disc in your spine can be very painful. It can really limit your ability to move and do the things you enjoy. Recovering from a herniated disc is a journey. It's not always a straight line to recovery. Everyone is different. Your body is unique. This means your recovery will also be unique. Think of it like this. Healing a herniated disc is like navigating a winding path. There will be twists, turns, and maybe even a few steps back. Some days will feel better than others, and that's perfectly normal. The key is to understand the process and work with your body, not against it. The good news is that most people find relief and get back to their lives. It takes patience, the right information, and a good plan. This guide will help you understand the process and give you the tools you need to navigate your recovery. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Many people have walked this path before you and come out stronger on the other side. Two big words come up when we talk about herniated disc recovery: centralization and peripheralization. Don't worry, they're not as scary as they sound. Centralization is like good news for your back. It means the pain is moving closer to your spine. For example, if you had pain shooting down your leg, it might start to creep up towards your buttock. Peripheralization is the opposite, which is almost always bad. It means the pain is spreading further away from your spine. This can be a sign that the problem is getting worse. Why are these concepts important? Because they help you and your healthcare provider track your progress and adjust your recovery plan. Think of it like a compass guiding you on your path to recovery. The first step in your recovery journey is to reduce peripheralization. Remember, this is when pain spreads further away from your spine into an arm or leg. This initial phase is all about calming things down and reducing inflammation. Your doctor might recommend treatments like gentle stretching, avoiding certain movements, or even medication to help manage pain and inflammation. This isn't about eliminating pain completely. It's about getting those peripheral symptoms under control so the real healing can begin. It's like putting out a fire. Before you can rebuild, you need to extinguish the flames. This initial phase is crucial for setting the stage for long-term healing and a successful recovery. Section 4. Building strength and mobility. A gradual approach. Once the initial inflammation is under control, it's time to start rebuilding strength and mobility. This is where you start to take back control of your body and your recovery. Start slowly with gentle exercises that your doctor or physical therapist recommends. The key here is to listen to your body and find movements that overall decrease pain, even if they are difficult at first. The goal is to gradually increase your range of motion and build strength in the muscles that support your spine. This phase is all about finding the right balance. You want to challenge yourself enough to promote healing, but not so much that you trigger a flare-up. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 5. The long game disc healing and its challenges. Healing a herniated disc takes time. Unlike muscles and tendons that have a good blood supply, discs rely on a slower process called diffusion for nutrients. This means that disc healing is a marathon, not a sprint. Several factors can affect your recovery time. Your age, activity level, and overall health all play a role. For example, younger individuals tend to heal faster, while smokers might experience slower healing due to reduced blood flow. It's also important to remember that symptoms can fluctuate. A change in the weather, stress, or even sleeping in the wrong position can temporarily increase pain. This doesn't necessarily mean you've re-injured yourself. It's just your body's way of telling you to slow down and pay attention.